first of all, few things we'll see, just like something like a half an hour like that. Then we'll take little break. Then we'll continue. Okay. I'm trying just small portions on it, like this. So morning I told less and more. Now we'll see what is head, tail, WC kind of stuff. Head command, display starting lines, start off starting lines are okay. First lines, you can say FI. First lines in first lines. First line, not a first line. First 10 lines by default. First lines are a first 10 lines by default. First 10 lines in the file or output. Okay, whatever it is first 10 lines displays by default. Head command. For example, head, I put a file name. And okay, so first of 10 lines in the file name it will show. In our cases, we are using passwd. So head space /etc passwd. For example, it will display first 10 lines in that file. If in case I want only see first 5 lines only, then you have to give like this. It is first 5 lines in file. Display or show, you can use any word. Displays first 5 lines. First 5 lines. Add -1 /etc/passwd. First line only first line, not a thing. Okay, first line, starting line, line number 1. Okay, head -20 /etc/passwd displays first 20 lines. First 20 lines. So first of all, we'll see this thing, head. What is head? Head will display first 10 lines. See, these are the 10 lines. If you want, you can count it. First 10 lines by default. Next, I want to see only first 5 lines only. These are the first 5 lines. You can look at here. Here I given a command. This is the first 5 lines. These are all first 10 lines. This is first 5 lines. You can see root, bin, daemon, ADM, LP. So you can see that one. First 5 lines. Next 5 lines. Next, head -1 /etc/passwd. First line. Head -20 /etc/passwd. First 20 lines. First 20 lines. See? First 20 lines. Guys, understand? You want anything? Like a head -15. So you have to give number of lines you want to see from file starting, like a start line, second line, third line, like how many lines you want to view that you can able to see. Nothing will change in your file. Okay, your file will be safe. Nothing, no data is changed in your file. Just only this display part only. Okay. Display last 10 lines by default. Last 10 lines by default. Meaning is like last etc slash passwd. What are the data in the slash etc passwd? It shows last 10 lines. I want to see last 5 lines only. Display last 5 lines. Display last line. Display last line or last one line. Last 15 lines. Okay, last 10 lines. This is the last line, and you have to count from bottom to top or top to bottom. Totally 10 lines are there. These are the last lines in that, but this passwd file. Last lines. Last 10 lines. You want to see last 5 lines. Okay. Last 5 lines. Last line. Last line. Last 15 lines. Last 15 lines. Last 15 lines. Okay. This is called a tail. You guys understand head and tail?
Yes, sir.
The next one is WC. Word count. Word count. So never put a comments in cap letters, will get confused. Okay, word count. What is word count? Shall see slash etc slash passwd. It display number of lines, number of words you used in a PC. Okay. Number of character or a byte count. Example, we'll take this one. WC slash etc slash passwd. So 47 lines are there in this file. 47 lines are there. That's why I took this one as an example. 47 lines are there. 103 words are there. 2585 character or bytes. Bytes. Okay. Bytes are there. Means each character is a single byte. So 2585 bytes are a byte count are a we can say characters in this particular file. So WC. If you go to any file like a ls, I don't have a files. So WC, this data file is a file, right? So this is in a data file having 4 lines, 22 words, 112 characters. Okay. So you want to see what is data file. See 4 lines are there. 4 lines are there. You have to count how many words are there and how many characters are the size of the file. Next, you want only lines, only 4 lines are there. You want only words, number of words. Number of lines, number of words, number of characters. Okay, so this is your input. Guys, understand WC word count,
Yes, sir.
number of lines. To check the size of the file or size on disk. Okay, to check size on disk, meaning is size of the file or a directory. Meaning is size of file or directory is du command. That one some options are there. -h means human human readable means KBs, MBs, GBs, TBs, whatever it is. Okay, so size it will shows in human readable. K means and kilo type, megabyte, like that. It will show options are there. So we'll see that one. So du space slash etc slash size of the passwd file. Suddenly weather changed. It looked like a lot of heat. Okay, so du it is showing 4 without telling any particular option. If I use h, it is showing like it is a 4K kind of stuff. But it is not 4K, it is, we'll see number of character wise, we'll find it. Byte count. B-B. Okay. Oh. That is B. Okay, size du space our current working directory. So our current working directory is 4880. I want to show you in H 4.8 MB. My current working directory total size with including files and other things. So 4.8 MB. Okay. MB. So this is a DU. Okay. I am unable to sit also. Okay, size on the disk. Okay, so next one is piping. Pipe. I am unable to sit. 1 second, guys. Just 1 minute. I will have some. Okay. Sorry. I think it is weather or my health, whatever it is. Okay. Last one I will tell pipe, and I will take break. Small break. Pipe is like this. You know where it is located? Above your enter button. Above your enter button. You can see like a letters are there, no? Then this one, then this one. If you put a shift, like this is shift, this is. There is a slash. If you press shift plus the slash, you'll get a pipe. That is the pipe. Okay, what is this pipe? Look at, guys. This is a command, and I put a pipe, and I put a command. Normally, this command required input. The first command required some input or may not, whatever it is. This is the command 1, pipe, command 2. So total command, whether it is a one single command or maybe a command option argument kind of stuff, whatever it is. So one command, the command 1, command 2. Okay. Command 1 output is input for command 2. Command 1's output is input for command 2. Remember that one. Okay. For example, head /etc/passwd. What is the output? First 5 lines it will display. So 5 lines, sorry, first 10 lines it displays, right? I put a pipe. Okay. How many lines are there? WC. 10 lines, 10 words, 235 characters or a byte codes. Bytes, not byte code. Bytes of data. Okay. So like this is one. Or you can say like a only 3 it is showing. Actually, first command is 10 lines. Out of 10 lines, showing only 3 lines. It is only showing 3 lines. LS. I have a lot of files are there. I got a screenshot. When I taken a screenshot, even I don't know. By accidentally I clicked on something, it is created. So I have some files in my thing. So how many files are there? 13 files are there. You know, files and directories. Totally files and directories. 13 files are there. Files are there. Okay, how to count current directory content or any directory content? For example, ls data 2. Nothing is there. 3 is not there. 4. So many files are there. ls data 4. Like this. So this is the input for this command. Okay, this is the input for this command. This is this is the previous one. This is the input for this command and as well as this command also. Okay, so output of first command is input of to the second command. Input to the second command. For example, I put a date. Okay, date. You want to put something for it, like maybe same WC. See how many lines, how many characters are there. Okay. So this is called a pipe. What is pipe? When first command is executed, the output of the command is input to the second command. Okay. Okay. No one is telling anything. Even I'm muted or recorded. Okay. Okay. So, for example, I want to put a. For example, I want to put a data into a particular file. Sorry, history. What happened? Are you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then okay. In this part, small only one I will tell, and then I will go to other filter commands. Okay. Filter commands are very easy. Like you can type it and you can see it. So one of the thing is like a head tail, less more, WC pipe already told. So in a pipe only I will tell. So for example, date is a command. Date output is generated. Now what I'm doing is date pipe t df1 file. File name is df1. You got output, but output is also there in df1 file. So you can look at df1 file. So df1 file is created. df1 file is created. Now it is showing a output. So what are the command is output is input to this one and automatically the file is created. So this is T. Okay. You can do so many things like that. Calendar. This month calendar. Calendar pipe. T. TF1. Then go to cat cf1. That's the entire calendar. Output is here. So this is called a T. Okay. So guys, take a break, 10-15 minutes. Have a tea. Please start speaking.